Using credit notes for rewarding clients. Credit notes in TaxDome let you reward clients with bonuses, offer compensation, or provide incentives, all without devaluing your services. When you add a credit note, it becomes a digital balance in the client's account that they can use toward future invoices. You are adding a credit note via offline payments. Choose the client account and enter the credit amount you're providing. Make sure to select the credit note type. Save the credit note, and the amount immediately becomes available in the client's account balance. Your client can now use this credit to pay any invoice you send them. The credit appears automatically as a payment option in their portal. You can also apply the credit yourself when settling invoices on behalf of your client. You can view all credit notes you've issued to the client by filtering your payments. Credit notes give you a simple way to reward clients while keeping your finances organized.